What's up, everybody? I know it's a little dark, but I haven't been in front of one of the cameras for a while just because I had that shoulder surgery. I did take the bandage off and things like that. I've been doing some videos for that as well, but I'll let you guys know about that later. I just wanted to thank Carol. I do listen to your comments and try and keep up. So, big shout out to you, Carol. Thanks for watching all the videos, and I'll continue to do better and try and improve for you guys. Thanks, and enjoy the video. Alright, so we are starting south of Lake Oklahoma that you see there in the background. Now it's to the north of us. We're north of the turnpike, actually headed west. And you can see up in the background there, the Water Lily Bridge is on the top left of your screen right there. And we're going to head toward what is going to be the Lake Oklahoma Recreation Center and the Richmond Pitch and Putt. Then we're going to circle around and take a look at this area. This is all north of the Florida Turnpike. So you can see right there the Richmond Pitch and Putt, close-up view, and you'll get kind of a couple of views of it as we spin around. Once you go across the Water Lily Bridge right there and head into the southern side of the turnpike, you have DeLuna and West DeLuna. West DeLuna is being developed also. They're working on that. A lot of irrigation stuff being put in north of the turnpike here. The Richmond Pitch and Putt, which is right here, that is what you're going to see pretty soon. They're going to start working on that, and a couple other golf courses and pitch and putts along Southern Oaks area and Meggison. And then the Lake Oklahoma Rec Center is going to be right here, just south of Lake Oklahoma that you see. So this is all south of Brownwood. You can probably about a 5-minute drive, maybe if that, on golf cart from Brownwood over the Brownwood Bridge and then down the golf cart path along Meggison. This is all between Meggison and Lake Oklahoma. I'm kind of skirting the northern side of Meggison here as we fly to the west facing the north. So the plan is to have canoes and kayaks and a lot of lake activities here along the lake. And I'm gonna assume, just from what they've done in Southern Oaks, that there will be a trail that cuts through here along the edges. When I looked at the website, you can't really see a whole lot. I'm kind of expecting retail stores to go in here. I heard of some housing, like upscale designer homes along the lake, so I guess that's possible. It does kind of look like they're putting some neighborhoods in more to the east, and I assume they'll be putting some in here as well, but I expect some retail in here. They said there's going to be more retail in this area, so we will find out. Up in the top of your screen there is Continental Country Club. I've done some videos on that in the past if you wanted to check those out. Continental Country Club is also expanding into this green area up in front of us here where the trees are. And this is all Meggison as far as you can see here. Straight in front of the screen, you would run into Hawkins and Warm Springs Boulevard, which you'll be seeing in the third and fourth videos this week as we get into Meggison, along Meggison, and all that kind of stuff. Now, Warm Springs Avenue actually goes across, this Meggison goes across Warm Springs Avenue, which will take you south of the turnpike if you're doing vehicle. So you have Meggison on the north side, and then you have the turnpike, and on the south side, which is the direction we're looking now, you have Marsh Bend Trail. Marsh Bend Trail will take you into DeLuna and into West DeLuna, which we took a look at earlier, which is west of the Water Lily Bridge. Water Lily Bridge currently is the only golf cart bridge that goes across the turnpike. There will be another one, the Bexley Bridge, which we've shown in several videos. And we're going to take a look, headed to the west now, and we're going to fly over Lake Okahumpka itself. I believe they'll be cleaning up this lake. I'm not sure. A lot of this stuff is speculation. I know they plan on doing a lot of kayak and boat rentals and things like that, so I would assume the Villages is going to pour some money into the lake, but you know, you never know until it's actually finished. This is just a big retention pond here, them getting it ready. A lot of their walking and biking trails go around these retention ponds and along these wooded areas here, so I assume that would be no different, which is why you see a big wide area for that. It's rained a lot lately. Well, I shouldn't say a lot lately, but the last few days it's been raining, so the lake is still down. You can see it's kind of receded quite a bit, but once June is done and all these rains come, it's going to be all the way up to where the grass starts coming in. So, and a lot of this algae and bloom, or whatever you'd like to call it, I don't know what they call it these days, but that stuff will probably be cleaned out. No promises, like I said, just a guess. I would assume if they want the lake to look pristine and nice and people to be out on it and nature, they're gonna have to put some work into her. Maybe they'll deepen it, something like that. Hopefully you're enjoying these Meggison videos. If you are, give us a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and you know, as always, we will see you in the next one.